Most dash cams stop recording the moment when you turn off your ignition. But what happened on those vulnerable hours when your car is parked? This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about discovering the secret technology that turns your dash cam into a 24 by 7 security powerhouse, detecting impact and continuous surveillance. The i7pro-WB dashcam is equipped with an advanced G sensor, which is a key feature in majority of dash cams, and I prefer to keep it on medium level. This built-in accelerometer automatically detects collisions and sudden impacts, triggering the dashcam to save and protect the corresponding video footages as you see in this video. The i7 Pro WP dashcam offers a very interesting feature, which is a 24 by 7 radar based parking mode. By the way, the radar based parking mode is designed to be highly power efficient. For using the 24 by 7 parking surveillance feature, the dashcam must be connected to your car fuse box using a hardware kit. I have already published a video on how to install a hardware kit. You can find a card option on the right top of the video. Another cool feature is AI motion detection and pedestrian tracking with the 24 by 7 parking mode. The dash camera's parking mode relies on a 5.8 GHz microwave radar and a G sensor to activate recording. The key difference between this and AI powered system is the level of intelligence in the detection. Basically, the radar sensor detects any movement near the parked car, triggers the dashcam to begin recording.